Do you want to know how you can log into your Edumate AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Edumate AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Edumate AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official portal of Edumate. Go ahead and write down your username or email address and the password associated with your account. After writing your email address or username and password, go ahead and hit login. This way you can successfully log in to Edumate AI account. Make sure you already have an account here, otherwise you can sign up by clicking on this over here. If you in case have forgotten password, this is the link for you to recover your password. You can hide and hide the password anytime. And if you want to log in using your mobile device, go ahead and click QR code and then click allow. This way you can scan the QR code and then you can log into your Edumate AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.